Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, we have been hit with some good positive news. This is great contribution for Terra Luna Classic. Guys, LUNC, call it whatever you want, is actually experiencing some serious burns. And all this goes to Binance. So thank God they are doing this because these are some serious numbers. Guess what, guys? Binance burns 5.57 billion Terra Luna Classic. Now, as the interest is growing, we have seen the price pumping, we have seen real volume going in. So let me just remind you right now, guys, you see this massive peak. This was this last month, okay? So 2023 December has gotten people to really talk about Terra Luna Classic, really out there. It's making some real highlights and volume is kicking in from the lows, from all the nightmares that we have experienced ages ago, from all the rubbish that has happened. Finally, it is on its route to recovery, and that is what the community wants. That's what it needs, because this is not going to be an easy journey. But if this journey starts going into recovery, some people are going to be making some very, very good money because there are a lot of opportunities, tons of opportunities. I mean, guys, if you were going in here, these levels, you made a big amount of money. I mean, more than $1 billion in volume was happening here. Of course, you know, one of the reasons it pumped, obviously, with Bitcoin's pump, and I think Terra Luna Classic has way more to show. Guys, we've got Bitcoin ETFs, we've got Bitcoin halving, and so on, okay? So there's more money going to be going into the crypto market. The crypto market market cap is going up. Right now we're at 1.73 trillion, so that is some great stuff, and there are massive intentions to burn. If Binance is on board with its CEO having a clear vision, a path to burn, this is great. So as of now, I think you guys should definitely be excited. Look at this, guys, the burns here. You can find them on lunametrics.com. When I saw this, I was very excited. This is a very good start to the year. 1st of January, got everybody talking about this. Excellent stuff. Okay, and this shows that Binance is serious about this and they want to make this happen. Why are they going to make this happen? How does this benefit them? I'm going to give you all the reasons, but before that, guys, make sure you subscribe and turn that notifications bell on because we're going to be covering everything here. Some really important pieces of information. So as of now, unfortunately, Terra Luna Classic community is also quite divided. Although we are seeing progress like this, these type of burns, division is there, and we can't lie about it. So the division actually is composed of burning or not burning, raising that burn tax or not raising it. Simple as that. So as you know, we had that proposal that didn't go through, the 1.5%, which would have been quite nice because that would have been doing some serious burning, but unfortunately that did not go through because people had the argument that it would kill off the volume. And right now, as people are so hyped up, as we're seeing all this volume jumping in, people think that if we raise that burn tax, it's going to kill off that volume. It's going to basically push away from projects building on chain. So this is one of the arguments. But then the other argument is that, look, you know, the circulating supply of Terra Luna Classic isn't that high, so it's possible to actually do some serious movements. It could have some serious effects if we actually burn well. On top of it, you know, as you are looking right now, we are going into a very strong year with a lot of bull runs, so that's going to draw in a lot of capital. And if we had a nice burn tax, imagine how much we could be burning, and that burning could eliminate those zeros. So we could see a nice case of a cent, 10 cent, $1. So the great recovery could actually happen. And that many are arguing that the burn tax rate isn't even that high. If we had to put it up to 1.5%, it wouldn't actually pull away or kick away any of these projects. Projects would be happy to also pay this because it's not that large. But others are saying it's not sustainable. So you see how there's a lot of arguments between it. Nobody really knows 100% what would happen, but everybody has their own ideas. Maybe from other projects that they could look at. And just in general, the positive mood right now has been incredible. And I get why some would be kind of skeptical to raise that burn tax rate. And a lot of them were saying that this volume also went up quickly before that burn tax rate could have actually passed. So that could have contributed to it. But who knows? I mean, there are so many theories out there. As of now, what can we see? Binance really is the top dog here, okay? Binance is the one pretty much in charge of all the burning here. It is making the effect. It'd be nice to have all the exchanges implementing some sort of nice burn. If they could all come together and actually burn, that would help eliminate those zeros. Guys, action would have to be taken because right now, what many people, investors are saying, look, since we didn't go through that tax proposal and volume is kind of, if we look at the chart, it is kind of dropping, but then maybe peaking a little bit, going up, but it is going down. It would have been nice to have some sort of direction. What are we working for? What's going on right now? I mean, what is the plan of Binance? Not Binance, sorry, Terra Luna Classic and Binance's plan as well. How much they going to be burning? Are we trying to repeg USTC? Are we trying to get more projects on chain? What's the plan? What is the direction right now? So people are trying to figure out. Obviously, they want their portfolios to go up. They know 2024 is going to be the key year, and also 2025. So if it doesn't happen then we could be in trouble here. So volume needs to start kicking in. It's nice to see that circulating supply isn't, for example, as big as Shiba Inu, where, wow, the burns there, I mean, would have to be insane. So here it is kind of more realistic, and especially having such a big exchange working on this. This is the biggest crypto exchange with so much coming from their side. They probably know what on earth they're doing, right? They're probably trying to achieve a level. So we should follow that. And also, guys, don't forget, some of you may be thinking, well, what's going on with Binance? I mean, they are burning so much. It is pretty much burning money, right? So how much have they burned so far? About $770,000, nearly $1 million in burns. So how does that benefit them? Well, it's very simple. I mean, very, very simple. And many influencers have talked about it. So if everybody is discussing their burns, everybody's hashtagging them, everybody's mentioning them, they're getting free publicity, okay? Well, I mean, the burns are a cost, but the publicity itself is just free. People like myself, influencers, others, they're hashtagging, they're spreading the word. So they are being mentioned. And as more Binance is being mentioned, there's going to be more adoption of Binance. They're probably going to be making more money on the side, if that, guys, makes any sense. Because this all compensates in the end. So think big, think large, think in the long term. What is the plan here? And really, you got to make up your mind with the burn tax rate. Hopefully, we can at least get other exchanges all implementing a nice burn tax rate and really get those burns going. Because like many would say, you know what? We pay a lot of taxes in real life, right? And that doesn't always push us away from making purchases. We just understand that it's part of life. Simple as that. So you guys see it for yourselves. And also, very important to know is that many people are hungry for that final recovery. Many people are hungry to make money out of it. So they're going to be going in, and the trust is going up. It finally feels like the community is back on its legs. After such a catastrophic time, after all that stuff that happened in the past that many don't even want to talk about, it is time to really commit to the cause and to get it back on its feet. Simple as that. So let's see that volume coming in. We've seen more than 1 billion in volume. And yeah, the volume has decreased. It's gone down, but I think it's going to be pumping back up during these bull runs. So yeah, let's keep going. I'm going to be covering this more and more because this is becoming very interesting. People want to know about LUNC. People want to get into it. And others just want a nice recovery. Simple as that. So if you don't want to miss out on any videos, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you turn that notifications bell on, and as usual guys, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.